Hello everybody, welcome to my Katya beauty style channel, and today I'm gonna show you how I create this beautiful look. And I will name it will be like soft easy matte eyeshadow application. And I'm wearing today brand new lip color from Laura Mercier. But again, today we're gonna talk about how to look young and pretty after 40, or if you have a bad skin like me, or you don't have a perfect skin, sorry, like me. I will show you step by step how I make my skin look pretty, young, flawless, and I think it looks good on me, right? All this product. Love you more than ice cream, and let's start. Before we're gonna use this eyeshadow, let me take care of my skin. You can see I have little bit breakouts and I'm really tired and exhausted. But you know what? Let's fix skin first. Now it's winter, my skin is dry. I'm gonna use avocado eye cream from Kiehl's. It's really hydrating and it's for sensitive eye, and you can see it's a little bit like a green color, but it's a good eye cream. I like to use underneath very little. I actually put a little bit too much, but I will spread on both my eyes, and I can also put on my eyelid. And you can see how glowing and hydrating this eye cream. Then I actually have a sample of La Mer oil and I really like. I'm gonna shake. I'm gonna use first, and then I'm gonna use moisturizer from Christian Dior, and it's balm moisturizer with chamomile. And this one you can use for face and body. It's really good hydrating. Winter, again, it's all about hydration. This is how I apply an oil. Just press to my skin, and same time I'm gonna use same technique to apply moisturizer on my face. And don't forget about your hands. And now you can put your jewelry. Now I have a primer. It's also sample, and it's, I'm not sure if I will pronounce correct or not. It's brand Yensa we have at Nordstrom, and it's a moisturizer and primer together. Blur your like give you a blurring effect. It's have little bit color, and I actually really like it. And I think I'm gonna go and buy full size. It's so pretty. And time to put foundation. For foundation, I'm gonna use Clinique Even Better 15 SPF, medium coverage, but it's a good moisturizer foundation. It's not comedogenic, fragrance free, blah. It's actually really good. I'm full coverage girl who likes full coverage, but I actually discovered this foundation and I like it. And if I need a little bit more cover, because like right here I have my allergy reaction, and somewhere here I will use my palette from MAC, and this is its corrector and concealer together. And of course I'm gonna use my favorite brush from Trish McAvoy, and this is specific brush you here for concealer, here for foundation, will give me a full coverage look. And let's do it. Let's make my skin even more better and more pretty. Remember, after 40 we need a little bit extra steps. Foundation, it's done. I'm gonna put a little bit on my eyelid and slightly under my eyes, and now we're gonna use concealer. For my concealer, I'm gonna use Clinique Herbla Brush Concealer, and it's illuminating concealer. It's the first time I'm gonna use this concealer, but I decided to try because I see a lot of people come and they're buying this product and they really like it. This concealer, it's a medium to light concealer. It's not your full coverage, but it is don't looks dry on my eyelid, and it's not looks like heavy. But I am again gonna use this favorite my face palette. It's different colors here. It's color light, and it's a Studio Fix concealer and corrector palette, and we have so many different concealers here, colors, and I'm gonna use this color because I just have little bit again my allergy reaction on my face, and I just need a little bit more cover, but I don't need to apply on entire my face. And I actually really like it, this product, a lot, actually, not little, a lot. My skin looks so hydrated, and I don't look no more old lady, look young, right? Actually, it's really feels like all products which one I use, it's make my skin like feels like I'm in life. I feel really like my skin hydrated. Let's use a cream bronze from Laura Mercier, from North, and it's Laguna. I do like these products, and we're just gonna little bit bring my, we'll say, face to life because I look a little bit pale. You can see bronze make a huge difference. Again, look at this glow on my face. I really like it. Now it's time to set concealer. I'm gonna use Charlotte Tilbury brightening, flawless skin powder, and you can see it's like a white one. I'm gonna use a big puff. I'm gonna apply just very little. Then I'm gonna apply on my hand, and then I almost don't have anything. I'm just gonna press under my eye, because if you will put right away, it can be a little bit too much, it can be a little bit look dry. But if you will apply like I show you, it's just gonna set your concealer gonna stay, not move, not run, not crease. For my powder, I'm gonna use Chanel Healthy, it's a La Beige powder, Healthy Glow number 10. It's not much coverage here, it's more sheer, but I like how it sits on my skin, this powder. It just minimizes my pores, and again, it's do not look heavy. Now I'm gonna use Anastasia Beverly Hills contouring palette. It's light to medium, my skin absorbent colors, and I know a lot of you will tell me, Katerina, I apply makeup, but in 1 hour it disappears. This is why we're using with you primers. This is why we're using cream blush sometimes, and or cream bronze. I'm not crazy about cream blushes, but I like to use cream bronze, and then I'll still to use my powder. And it's a beautiful, good quality, and nice. You have here powder, you have highlighter, and you have bronze. And I'm gonna use all three bronzers together with my North brush. And by the way, I love my earrings. I'm obsessed with a beautiful, like a chandelier earrings, and I will link below. And you can see how I'm getting younger and younger with all these steps. And if you like this video, please give me thumbs up. I'm working hard for you, and it's all about how to look pretty young when you don't have a good skin and when you don't look good without makeup. This is a channel for you. Now I'm gonna use highlighting, my favorite highlighting powder from MAC, and we're gonna use this highlighter right here. And very little right here, just very little. And let's use this beautiful pink blush from Dior. It's Dior Rosy Glow Bake Stage. And yes, this winter, a lot of people using right now still like very, I will say, deep colors. Even spring 2023, it's gonna be like more darker colors, more like deeper colors. But you know what? I do not care what they say. It's gonna look good in spring 2023. I wanna look young, and I don't wanna go with heavy look because it's gonna age me. And I'm not in a stage. I'm a regular woman who working, and I wanna look pretty young without sorry, see plastic surgeon. Yes, I do have my lines and wrinkles, but you know what? I know how to use makeup to look young. Okay, let's use this blush. We're almost done. I'm gonna fill my eyebrows, and then we're gonna use this beautiful matte eyeshadow palette. It's a look. It's not about like even eyeshadow palette, which one I use. It's about to look pretty and young and something very easy to use. I am so happy today how my skin looks. But let's do eyeshadow. We're gonna use eyeshadow primer from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's pretty white, but actually I like it because it's gonna bright and lift my eyes. We're gonna put a little bit more under my brow, and again it's gonna lift my eye, and then we're gonna use eyeshadow. This is the easiest matte eyeshadow palette which one should every woman have after 40 because it will look so pretty. I have a big blending brush, and we're gonna use color named Cover. It is matte color, and it's really soft taupey brown. Now I have a small tiny blending brush from North, and I'm gonna use darkest color which one we have in this palette. And you can see I apply like a big letter C, and we need blend, make this color very soft. Now I have a clean blending brush, and I'm just gonna little bit push these two colors more close to my brow. And you can see how soft look now, right? We have only two eyeshadow with you, and they look so pretty on me. I have little bit concealer brush, and I'm just gonna little bit clean right here, and here. Believe me not, if you don't want to use any more eyeshadows, it's already pretty. You just need to put liquid eyeliner, mascara, and you're good to go. But I'm gonna use again my brush, small and tiny from North, and we're gonna use this color, and I'm just gonna apply little bit, very soft underneath, to make my eye little bit bigger. Again, you can see I don't put too much, very soft, but you can see a big difference how this look little bit smaller and this is eye look bigger. Now I have a flat brush and we're gonna use this lighter eyeshadow. Now I'm gonna use my big blending brush and I'm gonna use blush. I like my blush connect with my eyes. I'm gonna just apply very little, actually just right here, very softly. It's not you're gonna see like a pin. It just will be very just pretty, very soft, like pop. And now it's time to use liquid eyeliner, and of course Clinique is my favorite. Now I'm gonna put on another my eye and then a little bit mascara, and today I'm gonna put my falsy lashes. We're almost done. This is what I name soft matte eyeshadow look. I have a white eyeliner from MAC and I'm just gonna put a little bit on my waterline. And let's finish this look. I will name like soft easy glam matte eyeshadow application with some beautiful lip colors. I'm gonna use a color rose Estee Lauder lip liner. Then I'm gonna use brand new Laura Mercier high vibe lip color, and it's very unusual. Look at this beautiful lipstick, how it looks. But what unusual, when you look at color, it looks like matte or satin, but when you apply it on the lips, it's have little bit metallic. And you know what, let me make another video with all new Laura Mercier, okay, high vibe lip color. But again, look at how pretty my eyeshadow look, and this will be look pretty on my lips. And I'm gonna finish this entire look with Christian Dior lip hyaluronic lip plumper, and it's number 007. Okay, let's finish this look. And this is, it's a beautiful, like a pinky color, number 121 Bliss, and it feels so hydrating on my lips. You know how like everybody goes right now matte. This is, it's not, feels hydrating. It is full coverage lip color, and I just really like this beautiful pinky color. And we are finished. I hope you like this look. Comments below, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Love you all. Bye everybody.